Hey everyone, welcome to this maths video. Today we're going to be talking about PAYE calculation, so how we calculate the amount of tax we have to pay. This will deal with a more basic form of calculation where we are only dealing with standard rate tax, which is about 20% in Ireland at the moment. So we will build on to another type of tax calculation where we deal with the second rate of income tax, which is around 40% as well. But this one is just dealing with the standard rate, or just with 20%. So the salary we'll look at here today is a gross salary of 22,000 euros, which is going to be taxed at 20%. And the tax credit that a normal person will have in Ireland at the moment, or a single person, will be 1,650. The tax credit is 1,650 euros. And what we want to get is their net income. So how much income or how much of a salary they will have after all these deductions have been made. So the first thing we do is we're going to go to their gross salary and we'll find out how much tax they have to pay on that. So we'll find 20% of 22,000. This gives us an answer of 4,400 euros. So this is what we would call gross tax. Gross, remember, means the amount before deductions. So that implies that we have to make a deduction to the tax. The thing that we will deduct is our tax credit. So the gross tax is 4,400 euro. The tax credit, we said, gets cancelled off your tax. So we take away 1,650. This gives us a total amount of money of 2,750 euros. Again, this was the gross tax. We deducted the tax credits. So this is how much tax you'll actually be left with and how much you will actually have to pay. Tax after deductions is what we would call net tax. Because net just means once we've taken away anything we need to take away, or taken away any deductions as we call them. So this is our net tax here. Finally, to find this person's total salary, or their net salary they get to take home, we're going to start off with their gross salary, which we said was 22,000 euros. We're going to take away the net tax, or the final amount of tax they have to pay, 2,750. This gives us an answer of 19,250 euros. And we've said that this would be our salary after the tax is deducted. So we can call it the salary. And the term that we use for after deductions is net. So this will be the net salary, or the salary after deductions.